Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change your payment method on Etsy. So let's open Etsy application on our device, and the thing with payments on Etsy application is that you have to select your payment method during your checkout. So we cannot just set some kind of default payment method. So let's proceed to my cart, and for example I want to make an order with this item and I want to proceed to checkout page. So I press that button, and now I want to confirm my shipping address, so I press ship here button, and finally you can select your payment method that you want. You can select Apple Pay, your card, PayPal, or maybe even bank account, and also you can redeem your gift card right here. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.